Plants may seem harmless, but lurking in nature are some deadly assassins. Today, we're diving into 10 plants that can kill you. They may be beautiful, but touch, taste, or even stand too close, and you could be in serious trouble. Ready? Let's go. Beware of the deadly flora. First up, the seemingly innocent oleander. Found in parks, gardens, and even your neighbor's yard, this plant hides a dark secret. Every part of the oleander is packed with toxic compounds. Just chewing on a leaf or two can lead to nausea, severe vomiting, an irregular heartbeat, and even death. This plant's toxins are so potent that water from a vase holding oleander flowers has reportedly caused poisoning. Beautiful, but deadly. Next is hemlock, a plant with a notorious history. It's best known for being the executioner's poison for the Greek philosopher Socrates. But this isn't just a plant of the past. It still grows wild today, often mistaken for harmless weeds or even edible plants. Hemlock contains neurotoxins that cause respiratory paralysis, meaning your muscles will stop working, including the ones you need to breathe. Small doses can be fatal within hours, and there's no antidote. Hemlock looks innocent, but it's a silent killer. The castor bean plant is another beauty with a dark side. Its seeds contain ricin, one of the deadliest natural poisons known to humanity. Ricin can cause severe abdominal pain, vomiting, and organ failure. Just one or two seeds can kill a human, and there's no known antidote. What's even scarier? Ricin has been used in assassinations and bioterrorism. So next time you see those shiny seeds, think twice before handling them. They're deadly in disguise. They are ghee. Meet Belladonna, also known as deadly nightshade. In medieval times, women used drops made from this plant to dilate their pupils, believing it made them more attractive. But beauty has a price, and this plant has earned its name for a reason. Just a handful of these shiny berries can cause hallucinations, delirium, and eventually heart failure. Historically, it's been used as a poison by assassins. Just a few drops of its juice are enough to kill an adult. Even touching it can be dangerous. The rosary. Pea might look like it belongs in a jewelry box, but its seeds contain abrin, a toxin even deadlier than ricin. Just one tiny seed can be fatal if chewed or swallowed. Abrin inhibits protein synthesis in cells, causing organ failure within days. What's worse, its seeds are often used in jewelry, which means you might be wearing a deadly toxin without even knowing it. A single mistake in handling, and these pretty beads can turn into a lethal accessory. Water hemlock is often mistaken for its cousin, edible parsley. But take a bite out of this plant, and you're in for one of the most painful deaths nature has to offer. Known as one of the most toxic plants in North America, water hemlock's root contains cytotoxin, which attacks the central nervous system. Symptoms include violent convulsions, tremors, and severe seizures, and death can follow within hours. Even a small nibble of the root can be fatal. White snake root is an unassuming little plant that hides a deadly secret. It was responsible for milk sickness in the 19th century, a disease that killed thousands, including Abraham Lincoln's mother. The toxin, trematol, gets passed to humans through cows that graze on the plant. Drinking milk or eating meat from an affected cow can lead to vomiting, tremors, and even death. So, while this plant might not kill you directly, consuming products from animals that have eaten, it could be your last meal. The mysterious wolf's bane, also known as aconite, has been used for centuries in folklore and poisonings. Legend has it that it was used to poison arrows and wolves in ancient times, hence the name. But this isn't just a thing of myths. Even touching the leaves or flowers of aconite can absorb its toxins through your skin, causing severe symptoms like heart failure, numbness, and paralysis. It's a plant that can kill with just a brush of the hand. Next, the terrifying manchineel tree, also known as the tree of death. Found in tropical regions, this tree is so dangerous that even standing beneath it during rain can result in severe skin burns. The sap is highly toxic and can blister the skin on contact. And if you're thinking of tasting its fruit, don't. Eating just one bite of its sweet-looking apples can cause intense stomach pain, vomiting, and death. The tree is so feared that locals mark it with warning signs. Finally, the angel's trumpet. Despite its heavenly name, this plant is anything but angelic. Its trumpet-shaped flowers may look beautiful, but they're packed with toxins that can cause hallucinations, paralysis, and even death. In some cultures, angel's trumpet has been used as a hallucinogen in rituals, but at great risk. Ingesting any part of this plant can result in a deadly overdose, so admire it from afar. These plants may look tempting, but they're as dangerous as they come. Always be cautious of the greenery around you. You never know what's hiding in plain sight. Nature is beautiful, but sometimes it's lethal. Like and subscribe for